Today I'll be showing you guys 3 tricks to make your videos 10 times better. They're really easy and will make you a lot better today. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, let's edit. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Before we start, I just want to say please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to help us reach 100 subscribers by the end of 2022. So let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do to make your videos 10 times better is cut to the beat. It's pretty simple, I know, but I see a lot of people that don't do it. So this will make it a lot better. It makes people feel more in it and it's a lot more snappy. Let me show you how to do that. So what you want to do once you're inside of Final Cut Pro X is go to the top file, new library. I already have one right here. And then go to new project. Name it to whatever you want. I'm just going to be calling it tricks. Set the format if you want it vertical or horizontal, then hit OK. Next, drag and drop in your clip. Once you have all your clips in, make sure to drop in a song that you like. Okay, so I'm not sponsored, but if you're struggling to find free music for your edits, I really recommend going to YouTube Audio Library. It's free and it's meant for you to use in your YouTube videos or projects. To do this, go to any web browser you want, go to YouTube, click your profile picture, YouTube Studio, then scroll down to Audio Library. And right here you have tons of songs to download for free. Anyways, back to the editing. So drag in your song and have your clips ready like this. So what you're going to want to do is cut whenever you hear a beat. Not every single beat, but once there's a little bit of change. So this is what I would do if I was editing a video like this. Okay, so I'll cut it right here. You can see how it changes to that beat. Okay, so now cut it right there by hovering over and making a cut and delete the rest of that. So you want to look in this little waveform graph and cut to that beat. So in this example, it's right here. You can hear that like cymbal sound or whatever that's called. Then what you want to do is click B and cut it right there. So yeah, this one's pretty simple, but it's so effective. The difference is crazy. So remember, keep cutting to every second beat or whenever you think it sounds good. And now watch how much cooler and effective this made it.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah.
Wow guys, a huge difference right there. So next, what you might want to add is a speed ramp. If you never heard about that before, it's basically like adding a fast forward to a clip. Let me show you how to do that. First, find any beat that you want to skip, click Shift B, and that will add a speed ramp. Move forward to another part that you want to skip to that time, then click Shift B again. So basically what you did is cut a little portion of that clip and you're going to speed that up. Next, click this arrow, go to fast, and then 8. So that's how speed ramps work. Here are a few more examples of that.
That I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong.
And finally, the last thing you might want to add to your videos is transitions. And not just any transitions. I'm talking about the glitches, the spins, and everything like that. Now, some of my favorite transitions to use are color grading centrals, transitions, and right angles glitch transitions. I'll leave a link to download them for free in the description. They're really awesome. I like using them for some of my edits. This is a great alternative if you don't want to cut to the beat. Okay, so once you have your transitions, your cuts, and your speed ramps into place, your video should look like this.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong. So that's going to do it for today's mini tutorial. If you enjoy videos like this, please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any more and so you can be the first ones to watch it when it comes out. So again, let's try to reach 100 by the end of 2022 and I'll see you guys next time.